everyone. We're at a house here in Greenville, Texas. Let me turn you around here. So this is a house that we're going to do. They have the vinyl shutters, which they're falling apart and all that. So Randy's over there taking them all apart. And we're going to put gray shutters on their house. And then we're going to put a gray post here. So stay tuned. Okay, we got the shutters laid out where they're supposed to go. I think that color is going to look really nice with the roof. Later on, they're going to come back with the lighter shade of gray to paint the house, and I think that's going to make it really, really pop. Tell me what y'all think the color of the door should go. Should it stay burgundy, or should they do another color? Please comment below and let me know, okay? Okay, we're starting to put the shutters up now. We got that on. We ran into a little problem. There was a screw down here at the bottom. So Randy's gonna fix that. Say hi, Randy. So we still have that side over there after we do that. So y'all be thinking about what color door would look good on this house. Remember that trim up there is going to be like a lighter gray. Okay, that half is done. Know what it's going to look like. We just got that half over there. See how plain it is? It's so dull without shutters. It has to have shutters to pop. Randy, doesn't it have to have shutters to pop? Doesn't it have to have shutters to pop? Yeah. Do you see how that side has shutters and this side doesn't?
This side over here, sad house. This side over here, happy house.
What was that saying that you said? We make your house happy?
Make your house happy, yeah.
Well, this one we couldn't put up quite yet because there's a little wasp problem right there. Look. Did you get them? Randy's doing the last one, and then we just got to come back and touch up with paint, because moving them and stuff, it gets some of the paint off, so we have to touch them up. So what do you think? And then we got to remove this post, and Randy is going to wrap it in cedar. We got the post here. You just take a treated post, and then you put the cedar around it. I'll show you how that works. That way that post will no longer, that old post will no longer, it's like rotted at the bottom and stuff, and that's your support on your porch. So you want to make sure that your posts are taken care of. So that's the way it looks, everybody. Let's get started on the posts. Okay, out with the old, in with the new. We're taking this post down. Do your thing. Wow. That went in there very good, was it? All rotted. So we jack this up a little. Poor jack. Now we're going to put Got that seam.
Yeah, I need to look. All right, I'm gonna need your assistance. You're gonna have to put that down.
Okay, got the post in. It's level. And now we are going to put the screws down at the bottom and then wrap it. And it'll be a wrap.
Wrap.
Okay, here it is. We got the shutters on, we got the post. We put a cap on the post. So if you're interested in getting some new shutters, look us up on Facebook, Texas Shutter Biz, or give us a call, 214-846-1096. And we can hook you up if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, East Texas. Thanks, y'all. Bye.